Every bottle of avocado oil begins with fruit harvested at the perfect moment. Careful harvesting protects the fruit that will become premium oil. Each harvest bin is prepared for the journey to processing. Efficient logistics keep the freshly harvested fruit moving. Every load is carefully secured before leaving the orchard.
Fresh fruit reaches the factory within hours of harvest.
The next stage begins inside a highly controlled facility.
Every shipment enters through a carefully managed receiving process.
The harvest now enters the factory's production line.
From this point forward, every step is engineered for quality.
The first step inside the factory is a controlled transfer into the processing line.
Powerful washing systems prepare every avocado for food-grade processing. Gentle brushing protects the fruit while ensuring a spotless surface. Removing excess moisture prepares the fruit for accurate inspection. Computer vision identifies fruit suitable for premium oil production. Automation improves consistency before human verification. Experienced inspectors provide the final check before processing. Controlled product flow keeps the entire factory operating efficiently. A steady feed ensures uninterrupted production. Now the fruit enters the heart of avocado oil production. The journey continues as each avocado is precisely prepared for extraction.
Only the nutrient-rich flesh moves forward. A controlled feed keeps every stage perfectly balanced. Grinding creates the ideal texture for efficient oil recovery. Every transfer is carefully monitored to preserve quality. Gentle mixing unlocks the oil hidden within the fruit.
Precision control protects the avocado's natural flavor and nutrients.
Continuous flow keeps production moving without interruption.
Now the separation process begins. From fresh fruit, pure avocado oil finally begins to emerge. High-speed separation reveals the pure oil hidden inside the fruit. Automation refines every drop with remarkable precision. Careful filtration improves clarity while protecting natural quality. Every stage moves the oil closer to its finished form. Digital systems maintain consistency throughout the entire process. Stable conditions help preserve the oil's natural characteristics. Removing trapped air prepares the oil for long-term stability. Every transfer remains sealed to protect product purity.
The oil is now ready for its final finishing stages. The final production stages prepare every bottle for consumers. Every bottle begins with an exact measured flow. Perfect alignment ensures flawless filling. Precision filling preserves consistency in every container. Protecting freshness begins before the bottle is sealed. Every seal is tightened to exact specifications. Automated verification ensures every bottle leaves securely sealed. Accurate labeling completes the product's identity. Every bottle carries its complete production history. Only perfect products continue to the final stages. Before reaching customers, every batch must pass rigorous quality testing.
Every production batch is carefully verified before release.
Accurate sampling is the foundation of reliable testing.
Appearance reveals the first signs of exceptional quality. Scientific testing confirms the oil meets strict production standards. Consistency is measured with laboratory precision. Experienced specialists verify the natural character of every batch. Strict hygiene controls safeguard product integrity.
Complete traceability follows every bottle from orchard to shelf.
Only fully approved batches continue to the final stage.
Now the finished product is ready for packaging and shipment.
Automation prepares every order for safe transport. Every package is sealed and identified for complete traceability. Robotic precision creates stable loads for shipping.
Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure.
Finished products await their journey to customers worldwide. Each shipment is verified before departure. Secure loading protects the product throughout transportation.
And this is how modern factories produce avocado oil from start to finish.
Thank you for watching this inside look at modern avocado oil production.